54. Honour to whom honour is due. Lord Acton, the historian, once wrote, quote, "There is no worse heresy than that the office sanctifies the holder of it." End quote. Acton, as a Christian, was distressed that many prominent men in history gained an undue respect because of their office. While Acton wanted respect for office to be maintained, he felt it was a serious evil to transfer the holiness and importance of an office to the office holder. Thus, the office of pastor is to be respected, but not every man who holds that office matches in his life the sanctity of his office. A judge has a very important office, one deserving respect, but not every judge is the voice of justice, which his office requires him to be. Our Lord and the Apostles warn against false prophets. Matthew 24:24, 2 Peter 2:1-3. We're told that, quote, "By their fruits ye shall know them," end quote, Matthew 7:20. It's our duty to the Lord not to confuse the dignity, authority, and holiness of an office with the man who occupies it. To do so is to work moral confusion. It's the duty of a pastor to strive to fulfill the requirements of his office and to bring fresh grace to it, not to claim that the office confers grace upon him. Men are not made wise by becoming fathers, but they become wise as they grow in the Lord.